Building residual wealth is a dream that many people harbor. The idea of having a steady stream of income flowing into your bank account without having to work for it sounds enticing, doesn't it? However, the sad reality is that most people fail to achieve this financial freedom they desire. They get caught up in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and never seem to break free from it. If you're reading this article, chances are you've experienced some level of frustration when it comes to building residual wealth. Perhaps you've tried various methods and strategies but haven't seen any tangible results. Don't worry. You're not alone in this struggle. The problem lies not in your abilities or potential but rather in the approach most people take towards building residual wealth. They often overlook crucial factors and fall into common traps that hinder their progress. In order to succeed where others have failed, we need to understand these pitfalls and adopt a different mindset. Lack of patience. Instant gratification versus long-term success. One significant reason why many individuals fail at building residual wealth is their obsession with instant gratification. We live in a society where everything is available at our fingertips with just a click or swipe away. This culture has conditioned us to expect immediate results. However, building residual wealth requires patience and long-term thinking. It's essential to understand that success won't happen overnight. It takes time and consistent effort. By shifting your focus from short-term gains to long-term success, you'll be able to stay committed even when results aren't immediately visible. Fear of taking risks. Stepping out of your comfort zone. Another common stumbling block on the path towards building residual wealth is fear. Fear of taking risks, fear of failure, or fear of stepping out of one's comfort zone. Many people prefer to stick with what they know, even if it means staying stuck in a financial rut. However, building residual wealth requires stepping out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. This could mean investing in real estate, starting an online business, or exploring other income-generating opportunities. Remember that fortune favors the bold. Without taking risks, you'll never achieve the financial freedom you desire. Lack of financial education. Knowledge is power. Many people fail at building residual wealth simply because they lack the necessary financial education. They may have a vague idea about saving money or investing but lack the knowledge and skills required to make informed decisions. To succeed in building residual wealth, it's crucial to invest time and effort into educating yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. Read books on finance, attend seminars or workshops, consult with experts. Do whatever it takes to gain a solid understanding of how money works and how you can make it work for you. Inconsistent effort. The importance of persistence. Building residual wealth requires consistent effort over an extended period of time. Unfortunately, many individuals give up too soon when they don't see immediate results. It's important to remember that success is not linear. There will be ups and downs along the way. It's during these challenging times that persistence becomes crucial. By staying committed and putting in consistent effort day after day, month after month, you'll eventually start seeing progress towards your goal of building residual wealth. In conclusion, building residual wealth is not an easy task. Otherwise, everyone would be doing it successfully. However, by avoiding common pitfalls such as impatience and fear while focusing on long-term success through risk-taking and persistence combined with proper financial education, anyone can achieve their dreams within just 30 days. So take charge today. Break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck by adopting a new mindset focused on building lasting wealth for yourself and your future generations. Remember, the path to residual wealth may be challenging, but with the right mindset and determination, you can succeed where others have failed.